Alright. I don't want to rub it in. I don't want to rub it in. But I kind of do. Let's all do the dirty bird. Let's all do the dirty bird. Let's all do the dirty bird. Falcons win. Falcons won. Falcons beat the Rams. Who called it? Who called it? Yours truly. I was biting my nails at the end there. I was biting my nails at the end there. I'm like, oh, that was close. Super close game. I don't want to rub it in the Broncos fans' face, but oh yeah. Falcons beat the Rams. Oh yeah. We helped the Seahawks. Oh yeah. We helped the 49ers. Oh yeah. By winning. And gave me something to cheer about. Do the dirty bird. They were doing that in the end zone. I'm like, nice. A little bit of the dirty bird. Not like back in the day, though. So, I would have got excessive celebration penalty on me just for doing that dance just now. Penalty. That's ridiculous. So, no one thought we could do it. I was literally made fun of earlier today about liking the Falcons and saying that we were going to get creamed by the Rams today. Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Yep. But I'm not going to rub it in. I'm not going to rub it in. Only a little bit. Only a little bit. The Archangel Dirty Bird. Good luck charm. Took us over the top. We did it, Archangel. We did it. You know. Archangel pulled it off. I mean, the Falcons pulled it off. But yeah. The running back, thank God. And God was a part of their win. I swear. Yeah. God was a part of that win. He was. So, anyway. Seahawks fans can thank me when I see them. I told them I guaranteed the Falcons would win, and I held true to my word. I'm like, we'll take care of it, and we took care of it. Told the 49er fans, we'll take care of the Rams. We'll take care of them, and we did. All right. I wasn't rubbing it in too much, was it? Was that rubbing it in too much? I was pulling hard for the team. We were up 3 touchdowns. I'm like, don't get too relaxed, guys. It ain't over yet just because we're up 3 touchdowns. But we started out good, you know. But I got nervous at the end. You know, the Rams caught up. You know, so. But anyways, I just wanted to celebrate. So, that's all I'll say for this video. The Falcons losing record. Team losing. Which made us more deadly, in my opinion. Nothing to lose. Home field advantage. And we played like it. I told you we had the best running back. We do. You know, he ran like 200 yards. You know, like almost a 90-plus yard touchdown. I told you he's the best. You know, Robinson. Without him, we're nothing. But you know, anyways, I don't want to keep you up all night. But the Falcons pulled off the impossible. They pulled off the impossible. They beat the Rams. So, think about that, Broncos fans. Think about that for a long time. Thank you.